I'm going to give my opinion on this thing where it's all over the media, all over the world that Jamaican women not giving their child to the rightful father. I would like to voice my opinion on this topic. It's a very important topic also because a lot of kids are registered to their wrong to the wrong father. So yeah, I want to give my opinion. The jacket business. You know?
You must blame the woman alone, you know. We must blame the woman alone. We blame we men too. You understand? Make enough of we. See the woman and her husband and her family. And we get in a hit and we not stop until we convince the woman. You know we are man, we dominant over everything. We dominant over woman. You understand me I say? And we always, enough men, even their own friend, have their woman. You understand? And their best friend, they might get in the best friend relationship by want to have sex with them best friend woman. So at the end of the day, I can't to blame the woman them alone. Yes, the woman also give the right father the child, but sometimes the woman don't know who breed them. You understand me I say? But we men is to blame because enough time we get sometimes the woman them live their nice life, you know. And we go out and go get involved and mess up the woman them brains and tell them some things, and cause you know enough time woman really have it and man really have it, but them live their life. And you know woman always want things. You understand me I say? Woman want good life. And sometimes some man can't offer the life of the woman they want. And the next man we trick the woman them, tell them so we will give them better life. Which are deep down in our heart, we know we're not going to do it. Because some of you, when we get the woman and we sex the woman and all and something there, we gonna left them and they have to go back to them same original man. And some of the woman love them man and left them man, but then rate you because you do something with them man and do. You understand? Maybe you take care of her better than how the man can afford to take care, but you still love her man. And she not really want to leave her man. And some of them can't even leave their man too. Because they leave their man a problem that. So then go and work with the bonner man on the side, even though the bonner man still have a woman a female too. You understand me I say? She get pregnant, what she do? She not want to look shame and look embarrassed. So she just have to make a picnic stay away there. You understand me I say? So sometimes it's kind of difficult because enough woman get pregnant for next man out of road, but if their man know, then dead. You know some man a real killer. You understand? So it's a 50-50 thing. Well, me know that the woman supposed to give the right father the child, but at the end of the day, sometimes we men cause it tough. So I'm not going to blame the woman alone. Because sometimes the woman have a nice life to live, and we get involved in it and convince the woman them, trick them, do all kind of thing. When I say some woman are bad, I mean I say that to work for every woman, because some woman that definitely just messed up, you know. Some woman just definitely messed up. So I'm not going to say every woman. But some of the woman them are that the problem. And we have to blame too as man, because we see the woman have them live their life and we know they have their man. Sometimes we know all their man. But me not do that still. Me not depend that. Because you see one thing you have to burn with respect. Because me not have my friend and go look my friend woman. You understand me? I said that are my rules. And if me have a virgin and he be man left or your wife left, me not go look her. That is my rules. That no work. That come like time I rate my friend then. Or a long time I look my friend woman. So me not gonna really do that. You understand me I say? Me not know some my friend have a woman and even if they left. Me not depend that. Me have my rules. And you have to live by the rules and you have to live by a certain standard of life. You understand me I say? You have to live by a certain standard of life. Enough man have them friend and they want to ride them friend woman. And do it to and some of the woman them to know say your friend man. Are your man friend. You must get involved. But you know, sometimes some woman just weak to some things. And you have some woman just not care. You have some woman again where I just bad them bad. They just get born for no reason at all. You have woman where I get everything. Man I get them everything and then still I go out of the way. Still I go out of the way. You understand me? Because you see man buy a house, buy a car, do everything for woman and woman still left them. For next man when I nothing to get them. So end of the day I just saw some woman work. But you have some real woman out there we get fall in the trap and don't know how to come out of it. I tell you, there's some real woman out there and them me I talk about. The real woman them out there will get carried away and they fall in the trap. I see a situation where woman and them man and look at vibes and you don't know woman walk away just to get a peace of mind and in our little vibes and you know little distress and thing. And then go out and meet one man and they just look at comfort she want, you know, because she hurt. You understand? She hurt. Even man too reach in that situation they see me. What me I talk about the woman now, if woman time now, woman me I talk about her now. She feel hurt and what happened? She find a little man and the little man give her comfort. She may know the man for a long time and the man may look her a long time but he never give the man okay. But true she have a little problem at home and she want to comfort and she just left home or whatever it might work out. She end up with the man where she know a long time or that or the man that look her. And the man actually a little comfort and she just fall for that little comfort there. In that little moment of time when she need a little comfort and she and her man have vibes. And you might give the man a little one piece. Enough woman do it and then when you really catch up and say no side now go work again. Because it's a situation where woman go on one piece and you know say no, so this is foolish what me do. Me shouldn't do this. And tell the man say yo that now go happen again. Because she what she do wrong. She knows she do something wrong. And she knows she love her family. But she just get carried away and do something. And right there and then she could have get pregnant and not know and she go back home and make it up with her man and have sex with her man at the same time. You understand what I did? And when you shift check a stock, she has said the man breeder, she never the man breeder. At the born a man breeder, the man where she go have a little one night stand with. You understand? Because something can't depend on condom boss. You have sex on condom boss. Where sex nice and not to realize a condom boss is a container sex. Because you really have to broken out woman for get her pregnant, you know. You have to broken out woman for get her pregnant. The pre-cum alone can get her pregnant. So you have the sex, and when you feel like you want to come, you pull out. And when you pull out, the pre-cum gone up now woman already. Because some of women when we have sex and the sex nice, we don't want to tap something. We feel like we want to come, we don't want to come with your ease up. That time look water come down there already. They call it the pre-cum. So you ease up. But water down there already and by go back in night and your water take time and run out, take time and run out. Just that the big load not come down yet. And when they did it for a couple minutes and thing, your amount of water run out, gone up in the woman. And you don't realize that. You understand? And then now you didn't know and when a big come now, you just pull out. You're gone you breed woman a long time. So you pull out and feel say why woman never get pregnant and she feels she not get pregnant. Because you pull out. Pre-come up in that long time. You understand me I did? So I just one of them things there. So end of the day we men we match up enough people life too. Woman fi stay strong and hold strong and know somebody they have them man and hold it. But we men do it too. Enough of our man guilty for it too. So we not 100% blame the woman them. Because sometimes the woman they get caught in the trap and don't know if they come out of it, they don't know what to do. Even till today, I know woman have pitney with it, man, and knows that the man pitney, but she can't do nothing about it. You understand me? Say she can't do nothing about it. She afraid of embarrassment, she afraid of every little thing. But she deep down in her heart, she knows it's not the man child. You understand? Deep down in her heart, she knows it's not the man child, but she can't do nothing at all about it. She have to just hold it. And the man love the pitney see me. The original man love the pitney see me. Yeah man, love the pitney see me. And you can't tell him son of him pitney. Maybe I when one DNA test come or something go happen now. Maybe foreign thing if you do filing for foreign and all and something there. You might realize son of him pitney when it's too late. You understand me, David? So we are bash woman see me still but enough time a week are we are the problem and we do it as man. Because enough of we want every girl. Enough of the man them they don't want a woman until they say one man have a woman. They want the woman. When they see the man with the woman at the time, they want the woman. You understand me, David? Yeah, enough man are so then turn. You have some man are fussy. Big time. Yeah man. So me not blame a woman enough time too. Yeah, woman get him blame, fair share of blame. But if you blame man too. Cause you see your friend woman. And them something hurt me, you know. Your friend You say you're your brethren and your friend, but yet you're looking woman. You understand enough girl do it too, see me too. Are your friend, but yet you're looking woman. You're not a friend, brother, you're not rate a friend. You're a devil, man. If you go one side, that me I tell you, go one side, man. You can't do them something there. You understand me I say? Do you know when I care my friend, I say I look my friend woman. Or my friend left in man. And my friend left in woman. The girl and the man left and me say me I get involved in it. And they go there with the woman. My friend ex-woman. Worse if they get pitney or they married and all and something. No, sir. Me not depend that. If I be a mother, me protect her, me see her, and me protecting kids them on the street see me and make sure them good. And when they left and no matter what they do happen and they left, me still have look show some respect. I mean I go because of my friend, me go hate the woman or whatever. That a for them business. If you man give him bun and him catch him and they left him, I for them business, me still not disrespect the woman. Because end of the day I'm baby mother. Me not disrespect my friend and baby mother no matter what they have. Yeah. I miss them on the road and I want assistance, I want help. Me I'll assist them see me, I'll help them see me. You understand me I did? Yeah. I saw me stay. Because I expect if me I be a mother upon the road and my youth upon the road, I expect my friend to do the same thing. Because I never can tell the situation a person can in at the time. And they want like an assistant. So I'm gonna do it. But me now gonna look my friend woman and not for enough to go away from here, man. Not for enough to go away from here. Me not like them kind of perk people stay so. You have a friend and you look a friend woman. And breed out a friend, breed out your friend woman and all and sitting there and give man. Hey, that they're sitting there hot in the brother. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So as me I say again, we can't blame woman alone. Man, then forget some of the blame too. Because we men, we always try to convince woman. And we know enough time the woman have them man. Leave a house to them man, have them nice family. See woman at work. We and the woman probably work at the same workplace. We did it in a top bother the woman until we really convince them. You understand me? We really convince them and make a one knockings and the knockings nice where we want continue. Maybe you give a woman a better vibe than what a man give because enough time with their yard. We not spend it right time with the woman. You understand me? I say just like a woman sometimes they get too comfortable. But we always blame woman, but we men if blame too. Not for we not take care of woman, we're supposed to take care of woman. And then everybody still cause some woman for no want to take care of them because they need them. But not for we men we not do the right thing. And when we say take care of woman, it not only mean money. Because money alone work, brother. Sometimes time and how you treat a woman with respect. You understand what I say? Yeah, man, we need to treat a woman with respect. If she not deserve the respect, make she go on, brother. I just say things said. But when you have good woman done, because I don't like good woman there. Good woman there road, and we could have cost them so till. Good woman still out there. Me I tell you that. You know that we find one and sometimes it's hard to find a good man because some man hold on pan a woman, you know. Yeah, no, so the woman a good man and hold on pan a woman. And it's hard for left. Or when the woman want left, then not left. So I just one of them thing there. You understand me I say? Yeah, man, so we men just get involved in a people relationship enough time and mash up it. So now woman alone forget blame for the jacket business. Yes, then directly yes, like a woman get a jacket. But sometimes we man involved in it and we for blame. Yeah, man, we for blame. Because we know if you see people that live their nice life, we go interrupt it and go on the people them life. Convince the woman, tell the woman lie. Can the woman tell say, yeah, we can do this for you, we can make a better life. We know so we not do this. Yeah, some man have them woman live at their house with them nice woman. See me and tell the woman the road say you're not a woman. Where woman sometimes the woman in there live at their yard and they're not happy. Man not treat them good, then there's a look of comfort. Because woman love comfort, you know. No matter how you go, woman love comfort. And we convince them so we can give them comfort. That time a lie we are telling them, hey, we lie a frig. Yeah, man. We convince them and give them a different kind of vibe. Love them up differently. You do deep down that we have, we know so we don't want those crutches we want, you know. Yeah, man, we deep down we know so those sex we want, we don't really want them. And if it's sex good, we want to stay a little longer. You understand me I say? Yeah, man. I say go. And then she get pregnant. And then when she get pregnant now, if a man in them back off. What any woman breed for me, whether me give me the pitney or not, me nah turn my back on no youth. Once me know say I'm my one. I would never do that. Then God, if me no matter how me can mind or whatever me can do, God will provide. Me not turn back on no pitney everything say for me not turn back on. When me know say I'm my one, me not turn back on it. Because remember me tell her that you never can tell when. Yeah man, so men una some of the men them know una the far too. Why enough jacket drop. When enough man get jacket. Enough I no give man jacket and I laugh after them. If you stop it. Stop it. Can't give man jacket and I laugh after them. Stop it. I hear that thing you go on with. I hear the people but whatever you do with in girl and all this something. And if you go man. You knock a man, man, hold it by yourself, man. And start going like you want style people. That's enough found with lows on the 3 points. May I tell you the truth. You knock a man, and then you're there with a boss pan and they tell people but you did this and you do that and your friend and your boss and you hype on the man. You forgot to go from your man, not for go. That's on the lose on the 3 points more time, brother. You knock a man, but they hold it. Nobody nothing know that that's just between the two of you. Where they already tell people and disgrace the man and style up a man for. But you're knocking woman and all in sitting there. All that man, that's no secret, man, you're your woman. Sometimes you do some things better enough to go from your man. Yeah man, big up on yourself everybody still. Make sure you guys subscribe to Savlan TV. Yeah man, you'll get more videos and more and I will talk about more topic, more important topic and things. So big up on yourself. Yeah man, Savlan TV, I'm out.
Maybe you're not too soon. Maybe you're not too soon. Maybe you're not too soon. Maybe you're not too soon.
Big up Savlan TV. Out
Straight.
there.
Yeah, big up Savlan TV. Straight out of West. No. Right, that's
Maybe you're not too soon.